Hey guys, well it is baby update time because they are growing. You know how much these farm animals, how fast they grow, and I just want to show them to you. I want to start with our little goaties here, a little Nigerian Dwarf. We have two babies. We have Athena and Fiona, two little Nigerian Dwarfs, and they're not going to let me. I'm trying to back up so you can actually see them, but they are so excited that I'm out here with them. Every day about this time, late afternoon, we'll come out and hang out with them. Yes, and Miss Fifi, she is so nosy. And Miss Athena, she is our healthy eater, which Fee, she ain't liking, but Athena, she loves her some food. Don't you, Athena? I just had to turn you around here. Look at the crew. They're like, something is going on over there. What is going on? What's up, girls? What's up? What's up, Biff? And then there, that rooster over there, that's Rocky. I'll come back and hang out with the girls here in a little bit. Oh, you hear them? They don't like it when I leave. I want to bring you over here into the hen house. We've had all kinds of developments since I last talked to you and showed you the babies. See, little one? That was the first one that was born. She was born on July 4th, and she is really getting big. Little Mabel's been a really good mama. I swear, see this? Nosy. Go, girls. You do not need to know what's going on in here. Even Biff is in here. But anyway, Mabel had the one baby. The eggs under her, they hatched. One died the next day. The older one still stayed. That last egg that was underneath Dovey, it had gotten knocked out of the nesting box. It had laid on the floor like overnight. I just really didn't think it was going to hatch, but I left it under there a little bit longer just to appease her. The last little egg hatched underneath Dovey, and so I got it out of there because it was in that breeding pen where the nesting box is way up high. Anyway, so we've had a situation trying to figure out where to put the babies with what mama, because we had two broody mamas. And so I moved it over because Mabel had 3 babies already. The oldest one being born on July 4th, so it was, I don't know, about a week and a half old, and then there were 2 younger ones than that one, and I put the brand new one in there, which was the 4th one, which is only a day old. Mabel jumped on it and pecked it, and of course we can't have that. So I brought it in here and put it in this brooder. So I put it in there, but I couldn't leave the baby in here by itself. You know, there's just no way I was going to do that. So I took the little one from Mabel, the youngest one, and I brought it over here, and it became friends with the brand new one. And after a couple of days, and they'd become nice and big buddies, I went back over and I grabbed the oldest one, or the older one, the middle one. It's not the oldest one. The one that wasn't too much older, and I grabbed it and brought it over here, and they did really good. They have, you see how they're scared of me, but they're doing really well, and they've kicked shavings all in their water, so we need to clean that mess up. But they've done really well. And so we have a plan to move the oldest in with them, but it's when we're going to upgrade them out of this pen, which is going to be soon though. You can see here, see out there, see the floor? It's dusty, it needs to be swept and mopped. But the big pen where I had the duckies, they're not there anymore. So let me show you what we did. We actually expanded, and I want to show you how we did that. But these ducks just grow so fast. They couldn't stay in there. I was cleaning it up twice a day with all the water and the shavings and the poop, and they just had to go. They had to go outside. And fortunately, it's midsummer, good and hot. And where they've gone to, they're doing really, really well. But let me show you this, because this right here works super, super great for raising baby chicks and for raising baby chicks and for raising baby quail. and they can stay in there a whole lot longer. We've raised baby chicks until they're like 8 weeks old in these things. So what I did, I had them in, the ducks in the one puppy pen here, and then we brought the other one, added the other one in, and just opened up these doors. We lined up the doors right here. We lined up the doors with each other, and we opened them up, and we pinned them together, and then they had an extension. So they could have one side, they could just be nice and dry, which didn't last long. These little ducklings are messy little things. But anyway, and then they had their food and water on the other pen. But it really did work out really great, and it still got them long enough. And we had 14 of them, or we have 14 of them. If we didn't have so many, I'm sure, you know, they could have stayed in there a lot longer, and their mess wouldn't have been near as big. So if you haven't tried out the puppy pens and you're trying to figure out how to raise babies, I highly, highly recommend those. I will leave a link to them below in the description box so you can check them out. They're inexpensive. I think I paid $35 a piece for them. And they're just really, really just awesome to raise the babies in. All right, are y'all ready for total cuteness? Because I am crazy about these little ducks. But first, let's grab some mealworms. So cute. Let's see if I can get them to come up to me. They are learning that. Come on, little ducky. Come on, babies. Who wants some mealworms? Come on. Come on, little ducky. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Here they come. Oh, and they gobble them down, let me tell you. And bless their hearts, the ones in the rear just miss out. But I try to get them some too. Like throw some out to them. And I'll even put them like in their water. You'll see their big water over there. I'll sprinkle some all around the into the water because dogs love to eat in the water. And you can see what a wet mess it is up there. And I don't know if you can see this, but the flies are ridiculous. And so if you have any suggestions or what I can do to help the fly situation, please let me know, because I am on the hunt. Something's got to give. I just can't have all the flies like that. That's too much. I know we're going to have some flies, but that's just too much around all the babies. I know, aren't you so cute? Yes, you are. You are so stinking cute. Hey, precious. Hey, little babies. Hey, my little darlings. Yep. Well, in 2 days, they will be 3 weeks old. Yes, that is the size of a Pekin duck at almost 3 weeks old. Aren't they huge? Just huge. Look how cute they are. They are cute. And from what I've read, they do get to be about 9 pounds, maybe 9 to 12. I know it's at least 9 pounds. I'm thinking it's like 9 to 12. Probably the males can get up to 12. And they are cute, and they're all straight runs, so we have no idea what we've got. While we're out here, we might as well go over here and hang out with the goats a little bit more, because they sure do love you to come hang out with them. Fifi, what you doing, girls? What you doing? Oh, I know. You have to be the one up on the fence, don't you? Yeah. Say hello. Say, hey, girl. Let's go check on your food. Let's go see how the food bowl's looking. Who knocked your water over? Oh, my goodness. This is not the time of year to knock your water over. Y'all have never done that before. Right now on the goats, we are feeding them free choice, and until they're 6 months old. They're only 3 weeks apart in age, so they'll both be 6 weeks about the same time. And as heavy as Athena is, I think we may just stop when Fiona hits 6 because she's the oldest. Where is the end of the water hose? Well, the girls have kicked over their water bucket. First time they've ever done that. So we're gonna get them fixed up. No more knocking the bucket over, girls. Look at them, bless their hearts, they're thirsty. Oh, that makes me feel so bad. Gonna have to nail it down, nail it to that board, so they can't do that anymore since they're getting bigger. They have never done that before. Huh, Fifi? You go drink, sweet pea. Yes. Go get all the water you want. Can you say hello? Say hello. Yes, say hello. Hey, Athena. Can y'all run around and play for everybody? As far as health goes, our goats have been really, really healthy. We've only had a couple of issues. Athena we first got her eye would run. We didn't know if she scratched it or if she had hay fever or what was going on. So I put a little clear eyes for animals that you can get at Tractor Supply. I think it said it was for horses, but anyway, I used that on her. And then put some terramycin in there just to make sure that she didn't have a scratch and that it was going to get infected or anything like that. Now, one other time she did have diarrhea, and I only saw evidence of it, like one little movement where it was, really running. But which scared me to death because, I've read where goats, when they get sick, they go down really fast. And diarrhea can be one thing that they can go down really fast on. The girls, look how down there. Love to try to eat my shirt. Yes. But anyway, we gave her electrolytes, which she didn't, her tummy couldn't really feel good. So she really didn't want anything to eat or drink. So I had to kind of really coax her. But anyway, I did get electrolytes in her. She drank a good bit of it, a nice big bunch of it, and I gave her some probiotics that you can also get at Tractor Supply. You can get it on Amazon too. I'll put a link below to both electrolytes and the Probios is what it's called. It's comes in a tube, and you put it right in their mouth, and that helps them out as well. Now, if you are wondering what we are going to do with all these baby chicks with 3 in one thing and 1 in the other, what we plan to do, since the ducks are now over here in the breeding pen, what's built for the breeding pens for the chickens, I'm going to take the puppy pens and I'm going to put them back in that room so they'll be nice and warm, and they won't have any drafts or anything like that because they're way too young to go out. And I'm going to put the 3 in there, and then I'm going to go get the bigger one and I'm going to put him in there. It'll be a new home, a new space for all of them. And the 3 little ones are used to being together, and then the one larger one, he should go in, and even though he's used to just her and her mama, I'm gonna say her instead of him, we got enough roosters. She has been used to just herself and her mama. I'm hoping it won't be too much because he'll be leaving its mama, and she'll really want to, she'll want to have friends, right? So this is what we're hoping. We plan to put them over into the puppy pen, give them lots of space to move around. They can get out of each other's way. We'll have a heater in there, and then we're going to move Mabel back in here with her crew. So that's the plan. And by the time I show you a video of them again, that should be in the works. So you know what? I'll take you along with me. I'll bring you along with me, and I'll film it when we add them all in together and show you how we do it. And y'all can help me, fingers crossed, okay? Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big old thumbs up and subscribe to our channel while you're down there. We really would appreciate it, and it would really help us out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure and leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and share us with your friends and family and all across social media. All right, guys, until next time, take care and God bless.